It is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking about optical isomerism for class 2nd year. It has been already pointed out that the molecules not having a plane of symmetry and two optical active isomers, one being the mirror image of the other, though optical activity is also exhibited by square planar and tetrahedral complexes. The property is of great significance among octahedral complexes considering monodentate ligands as well as bidentate ligands. But both the compounds should be the mirror image of each other. Some complexes containing bidentate ligands frequently show optical isomerism. The most common complexes are of the type MAA whole twice, cis MAA whole twice trans, and cis and trans complexes. Two types of complexes contain a plane of symmetry, for example, two optically active complexes, cis cobalt ethylene diamine chlorine 2, are shown in the figure below, which show that they have mirror image and these mirror images cannot be coincided. Complexes of the type MAA whole twice, which do not exhibit geometrical isomerism, are also two mirror images, and these mirror images can also not be coincided. Optical isomerism of platinum ethylene 3 is commonly used to explain such type of examples. Optical isomerism of tris tetraamine mu hydroxy cobalt 3 ion. Another complex is with rhenium. Trigonal prism structure. Although most of the 6 coordinated complexes have octahedral geometry, but some complexes have prism structure. These are the structure of rhenium complexes. The next are the coordination number 7, which have zirconium, nibadium with ethylene diamine, or it can also have ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. They form a octahedron of or pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Coordination number 8. The coordination number 8 has the few examples. Then we have the shapes of the d orbitals. The shape of the d orbitals are dxy, dyz, dxz, and dx square dash y square and dz square. These loops are in different axes, and when the ligand approaches them, they shift into other axes. These other axes are then shifted to stability for bonding. In the stability for bonding, the dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals are in the lower side for octahedral complexes, and they are on the higher side for the tetrahedral complexes. So these orbitals are stable in octahedral complexes and they are unstable in tetrahedral complexes. The next is the magnetic behavior of complexes. In the magnetic behavior of complexes, many complexes are paramagnetic due to unpaired electrons. Thus, they have their mu is equal to under root n into n plus 2. N is the number of unpaired electrons in the complex. When the number of unpaired electrons is more, then the complex is more paramagnetic. And when the number of unpaired electrons is less, then the compound is less paramagnetic.